Hi everybody. This video has to do with using the percentage equations to find different quantities, the percentage equation. So what is that? What am I talking about, the percent equation? It's P over 100 equals R over Q. What are these things? Q is some initial whole amount, R is some result, some portion of that total amount, and P is the percentage that represents that portion of the total amount. So basically you have these three quantities and they give you two and you have to solve for the third one. That's basically what these problems are. So number one, it says find out when P and Q are known. Let's see. You pay a 6% tax on a purchase of $43.95. How much tax did you pay? So in this case, I think you can see, you know that the 6 is the P, so 6 goes over the 100, and the total amount was the $43.95. That's the Q, that's the bottom. We want to know what portion was the tax. That's the R, that's our unknown, right? So how do you solve that? You cross multiply, right? So you would do 6 times 43.95 equals 100R. And divide both sides by 100. So you do that on your calculator, and I ended up getting an R, or your tax, is equal to 264. Okay? How about the second one? This says find P when Q and R are known. Does that make sense? If you leave a $9 tip on a meal that costs $57.45, what percentage of the tip was it? You don't know the P, you don't know the percent in this case, but you do know that the resulting tip was 9 out of the whole meal was 57.45. Okay, so you cross multiply again, you get 57.45 times P equals 100 times 9. And when you divide both sides by 57, multiply and divide by sides by 57.45, I got a P is equal to 15.7%. You can check that on your calculators, make sure you're doing it right. Okay, the last one, find Q when P and R are known. A store gave $15,000 to a school. It was 3% of their profit. What was the profit? We don't know the whole amount. We know the portion was 15,000, and we know it was 3%. So 3 over 100 equals that 15,000 over, we don't know, right? So cross multiply. In this case, you get 3Q equals 100 times 15,000. When you divide both sides by 3, multiply and divide by sides by 3, I think I get 500,000. Okay, so these are just 3 examples where you have to solve for R for one, you have to solve for P for one, you have to solve for Q for one by using that nice, easy little formula. Okay, I hope that helps.